Assalamu alaikum. Today's date is 1st of March and today we will discuss about the quarterly result, December quarterly result of Infosys Limited. Well, recently this company announced their quarterly result and in this video we will analyze how it performed in their quarterly result. So before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed the channel right now, so kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get regular update. So let's start the video. Infosys Limited. Last time, right now it is trading at the rate of 1715 rupees and last time it gave 1.24% return in a day. If you talk about their weekly chart, so you can see in the week last week it gave 1.21%, and if you talk about the monthly chart, it gave 3% negative growth in the last 1 month. Now switch into 1 year graph, so you can see that it gave 35% positive return in the last 1 year, and when we switch it into 5 year long-term journey, so you can see that it gave 234% positive return. In the long journey, maximum you can see that it gave 1740% return to their investor. So you can also say that it is a multi-bagger company in the long run. So if you talk about their industry, so it is belong to IT industry. It is a large cap company and having market capitalization of 7,19,090 crore, and stock is ranking or trading on the top 4 companies in India. Now we will talk about the company profile. So Infosys Limited is engaged in consulting, technology, in outsourcing and next generation services. So mainly this company is engaged in right now consulting services, technology services, outsourcing services and next generating services. So for getting more information about this company, we will look into their website, and you can see in their website there are so many segments. Their website name is www.infosys.com. Okay, so this is the link and you can see their website. There are so many option segments, just like navigate your next industries. So in industries we can see that in which industry it is providing their services, just like it is providing their services in aerospace industries, agriculture, automotive and so many others. You can see there education, life science, retail, travel, hospitality. So there are a lot of industries it is providing their services. Okay, so what kind of services it is providing? So this is providing digital marketing, digital commerce, okay, Salesforce, data analytics, applied AI, blockchain, engineering services. So there are so many segments, so many services it is providing, and this is their platform. So you can see their platform is Panaya, Infosys Equinix, Infosys Wingspan, Infosys Helix, Infosys Meridian, Infosys Cortex, Infosys Nia. So they all are their platforms. So this is Infosys Knowledge Institute, About Us, Investor Career. So you can see everything that you want to know about this company in this website. So it is all about their website and business. Now we will discuss about the valuation of this company. So company's sector price to earning ratio is 36.83, while this company price to earning ratio is 37.16. And if we talk about the sector price to book ratio, its price to book ratio is 8.88, while this company price to book ratio is 9.37. So it is, according to valuation, it is right now it is overvalued. Now we will see their ownership. So for knowing the ownership, we will click on the holdings, and now you can see clearly that its promoter holding is 13.12%. That is not so much enough. Promoters should have minimum 50% holding at least. So mutual fund have 12.79%. That is a positive point, and promoter has a less than 50% holding. That is the negative point. Now if you talk about the domestic institution, so domestic institution have a 3.51% holding, foreign institution and retail and other have 33% holding and 37% holding respectively. Now we will see their quarterly result. So according to screener.in, we will analyze the December quarterly result of Infosys Limited. So firstly, we will see the quarterly result. Then after that, we will see the positive point and negative point of this company. And lastly, we will check the overview of this company. So watch the complete video and don't skip the single second of this video. So watch it with patience to get complete information. So in quarterly result, we have to see three main things. There are so many things. So we have to analyze only three things: sales, operating profit, and finally net profit. So if you look into their sales, so you can see in September quarter, they made 29,602 crore revenue in September quarter, and it converted into 31,867 crore. That is so much enough. And if you talk about operating profit, they made 7,831 crore in September quarter, and it converted into 8,383 crore. That is also fine. And if we talk about the net profit, so after taxation and depreciation, its net profit was 5,421 crore in September quarter, and it converted into 5,809 crore in December quarter. That is also so good. Now we will look into their market competitor. So they are their market competitor: TCS, SCL Technologies, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infratech, and Mindtree. They all are their market competitor right now. So if you talk about their positive point and negative point, so this company is almost debt free. That is the positive point, first positive point of this company. And also this made a good return on equity to their investor for the last 3 years. It made 25% return on investment, return on equity to their investor. That is also a positive point. And it also gave a good amount of dividend, that is a 54%. That is a much enough good to their investor. So these all are positive point. Okay, now we will discuss about their negative points. So this company stock trading at 10.40 times of its book value. It means if the real value of company is 1 rupees, so this company's stock is trading on 10 rupees. Okay, approx 10 times expensive. So that is a negative point. And if you talk about the sales growth is also not so much good. Okay, it gave 9.98% sales in the last 5 years. Okay, promoter holding is also low, that is a 13% holding. And earlier I already told you that promoters should have minimum 50% holding. Okay, so they all are negative points. Now we will discuss about the overview. So in overview, we will see the financial trend of this company. So you can see clearly at your screen. In financial trend, we will see the data from 2018 to 2021. So you can see that it made 0.74 lakh crore in 2018 as a revenue, and it converted into 1.03 lakh crore in 2021. Now look into their net profit. So it was 0.16 lakh crore in 2018, and it converted into 0.19 lakh crore in 2021. So you can see that revenue is also in positive trend. And if you talk about the net profit is almost in positive trend. Okay, so when we look into their intrinsic value, so according to tickertape.in, Infosys Limited intrinsic value is not good enough. And if you talk about the return versus FD, it gave a good amount of return compared to FD. It also provide a good amount of dividend, and this stock is right now, this stock is not in overbought zone, and there is no red flag in this stock or company. So in the whole video, I have explained everything. I mean, positive point as well, negative point of this company. Now you have to decide whether you have to invest on this company or not. This should be your decision whether you have to invest on this stock or not. So if you find anything informative about this video, in this video, please like the video, and if you still have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. So in future, if I upload any video, you will get a notification. So press the notification also, and we will meet soon in the next video. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Jai Hind.